fish on. We got a fish. Fishing the creek, guys. Just got here. Sun just went down and we are loaded up. We are loaded up. It's gonna be a little hard for you guys to see, and I apologize, but it is what it is. He ain't too big. I don't think. I see him. We have a lot of current out there here on South Chickamauga Creek. There he is. That's a respectable blue. There we go. Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. That's always good when you're catfishing, especially when you're catch and release. Circle hooks are the way to go. Where's my pliers? I mean, I've only been here maybe 5 minutes. There we go. Show you what he looks like. Yeah, he's probably, I don't know, 12, 13 pounds. Good fish to start the evening. Let's go ahead and release him. Back to the depths he goes. All right, guys, so I am here at South Chickamauga Creek. We've had a lot of rain today. Wanted to get out here just to do a couple hours of fishing. And so I'm using cut skipjack, frozen bait. Didn't have time to get bluegill, so I just took one piece of skipjack from my chest freezer and said, hey, I'm gonna go fishing tonight just for a couple hours. And the water's not very high, but it's muddy and there's a good current out here. I have one rod casted straight in the middle of the creek, fast current, and then I had another rod kind of on the current seam of this creek. There's fish out there. Whenever there's a good current in a creek, always worth a shot on getting a good fish. And when I say creek, I'm talking this creek is big. It's more of a watershed that goes right into the Tennessee River. And right now it's probably 15 feet, 20 feet probably out in the middle of this creek. There's just a lot of structure down there. I fished here several times. For those of you who've watched my videos for a long time, you know this spot does well. When it's high, it's muddy. I may end up reeling this one in and fishing it closer to the bank here, because that's typically what the catfish will do. They'll hang right on the current seam where there's just a little bit of slack water or just a little bit of a slower current. Those cats will just hang there. I'm using 8/0 double action Team Catfish circle hooks. Shouldn't take long to get another bite here. I mean, if they're feeding right now, it should just be a matter of minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good fish. Good fish. Very good fish. Yep. Oh, no. Nah, he's on there. Let me get this bait clicker off. Gosh, you guys hear that run? Here, I'm gonna get him over here. Yeah, I think this is a pretty good fish. Bigger than the first one. I know that. So this took about, I don't know, 30 minutes to get this run. Yeah, he ain't too big. But he's bigger than the other one. The first one we got. There he is. Got him. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead and release them. There he goes, back to the depths. I'm gonna go ahead and call it 2 fish, 2 respectable fish. That second one was the biggest, but not a bad short session here. As always, give a thumbs up for this video, and we'll see you later.